Windows are more than just openings in your home. They play a pivotal role in insulation, security, aesthetics, and overall functionality. Whether you're replacing old windows or installing new ones, the decision to hire professionals for window installation is a worthwhile investment, especially in a community like Auburn Hills, where diverse weather conditions demand efficiency and durability. Let's delve into why professional window installation is essential for homeowners in Auburn Hills. Expertise you can trust. Professional window installers bring years of expertise and training to the job. They understand the nuances of proper window alignment, sealing techniques, and structural considerations. Improper installation can lead to air leaks, water infiltration, and energy inefficiencies. Professionals have the skills to avoid these costly mistakes, ensuring your windows are installed correctly the first time. In Auburn Hills, where summers can be humid and winters harsh, professional installation ensures that your windows stand up to the elements. Trained installers can also identify potential issues with your home's structure that may not be apparent to the untrained eye, such as rotting frames or uneven walls, and address them before they become larger problems. Energy efficiency and saving. A key benefit of professional window installation is enhanced energy efficiency. Poorly installed windows can allow drafts, increasing your energy bills as your HVAC system works harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, energy-efficient windows, when properly installed, can save homeowners hundreds of dollars annually. Professional installers in Auburn Hills are familiar with energy-efficient window products and the specific techniques required to optimize their performance. They'll ensure that your windows are perfectly sealed and insulated, reducing heat loss in the winter and heat gain in the summer. Over time, this investment pays for itself in energy savings and comfort. Proper tools and materials. Window installation requires specialized tools and materials that most homeowners do not have. From advanced measuring devices to industrial-grade sealants and adhesives, professionals are equipped with everything needed for a flawless installation. Using the wrong materials or tools can lead to subpar results, increasing the likelihood of needing repairs or replacements sooner than expected. Auburn Hills professionals ensure the installation process is smooth, precise, and long-lasting, sparing you the headache of troubleshooting issues that arise from DIY attempts. Enhancing your home's value. High-quality windows and professional installation can significantly boost your home's value. Potential buyers in Auburn Hills prioritize energy efficiency and curb appeal when evaluating a property. Well-installed windows that complement the architectural style of your home and reduce energy costs make your property more attractive. Additionally, many manufacturers offer warranties on their products only if they are installed by certified professionals. By hiring experts, you're not just investing in immediate quality but also securing the long-term value and protection of your investment. Time-saving and stress-free process. Installing windows yourself can be a time-consuming and stressful endeavor, especially without prior experience. Mistakes can lead to delays, additional expenses, and even injuries. Professional installers streamline the process, completing the job efficiently and accurately. In Auburn Hills, where residents lead busy lives, delegating the installation to trusted professionals ensures you don't have to sacrifice your time or peace of mind. They handle every aspect, from removing old windows to cleaning up after installation, so you can enjoy a hassle-free experience. Adapting to Auburn Hills' unique needs. Auburn Hills experiences a mix of seasonal challenges, from icy winters to humid summers. Professional window installers understand the local climate and can recommend products designed to perform well in these conditions. Whether it's double-glazed windows for insulation or UV-resistant coatings to block heat, their expertise ensures you get windows tailored to your specific needs. Moreover, they can guide you on local building codes and regulations, ensuring compliance and avoiding potential legal or safety issues. Peace of mind and long-term benefit. Perhaps the greatest advantage of hiring professionals is the peace of mind it provides. Knowing that your windows are installed correctly by trained experts eliminates the worry of future problems. It also ensures that your home remains secure, energy efficient, and visually appealing for years to come. Professional installation is a long-term investment in the comfort, safety, and efficiency of your home. In Auburn Hills, where homeowners face distinct weather challenges and prioritize energy efficiency, the benefits of professional window installation far outweigh the initial cost. Conclusion. Choosing professional window installation in Auburn Hills is more than a convenience. It's a smart decision that protects your home and enhances its value. From ensuring energy efficiency to adapting to local weather conditions, professionals bring unparalleled expertise and reliability to the table. When it comes to something as integral as your windows, it's worth investing in the best. Don't compromise on quality. Let the experts handle the job, and enjoy the benefits for years to come.